Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. My friend Dirk was kind enough to, very kind to send over this knife for us to check out. He said I could carry it, cut stuff with it, whatever. So I'm going to get it out of this box, but I'm actually going to pause the video because I think every square inch of this thing is taped. So I'm just going to pause it. I'll cut it open and then set it on the table and start the video back up. So I'll be right back. All right, so here it is. I've actually seen this knife in person. Geez, I think it was 6 months ago by now. It's crazy light. You guys need to go check out this website, vceedgeknives.com. I believe this guy makes them all by himself, like in his garage or something, but these knives are just crazy. They're also expensive. I was really on the fence about buying one. He just did a pre-order. He opened up a window for a pre-order. They're $1,100 now. I think these were $875. This thing is so amazingly light. It is crazy. I don't know how else to describe it. I mean, it's just something that you need to experience for yourself in person. I need to gather up some items and like weigh them together because I think this weighs. It feels like it weighs as much as that pin. I'm gonna go grab my scale. I don't even normally do this for unboxings, but this thing's just crazy light. Well, hopefully you can read the screen here, but they believe this is 1.9 ounces or 1.6 ounces. Sorry. Yep, 1.6 ounces. And then I have a handful of Pilot G2 pins here. So right there, 4 Pilot G2 pins is 1.5 ounces. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but that's 1.5 ounces, 42 grams. So 5 pins, 5 G2 ink pens, 1.8 ounces. And again, this knife, 1.6 ounces or 46 grams. So that's just crazy. Every time I pick it up, it's just unbelievable. Let me show you the blade. I'll quit yakking here. I'll show you the blade in a second. Just gonna turn off that scale. Okay, let's check out the blade on this. This is just, it's amazing. Man, I don't know, $1,100 for the new version. The pre-order may be all sold out anyway. I think there's only 55 pre-orders. I know someone that actually got a pre-order. I was on their website. I could have pre-ordered one. My finger was on the mouse button to click buy it now. I couldn't do it. It's $1,100. But man, holding this thing in person, it's just crazy. So yeah, I'll leave a link to Dirk's channel as well. He normally does knives, but he does some watch stuff every once in a while too. So go check him out, and I will try to leave a link to this company as well, VC Edge. I believe he is like an aerospace guy or something like that, and then he makes these knives. I think he makes these in his garage, and the blade does go all the way through. I think it's hollowed out, or it's skeletonized, and then this composite is poured over the blade, and then he grinds the composite and the blade together. I believe that's how it works. So yeah, very, very cool. And Dirk told me he used this thing. He went camping and he used it to cut twigs and sticks and rope, and I mean whatever you use a knife for camping, he used this for that. So very cool. All right, that will conclude this unboxing video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm still lost for words having this knife in my hand again. It's just crazy. Barely even have to pull on this. I mean, I'm not flicking it hard or anything. I'm just pulling it back, and there's must be a detent in there. And once it breaks free, the blade just flips open. All right, catch you guys on the next one.